Kevin Green is with us, Senior Markets Correspondent at Schwab Network, to take a look at some of the big movers. The first up is Coinbase, and this is on the move after the SEC lawsuit can proceed. That's not great news for Coinbase, is it?
It's not, and we saw the stock move down about 2.3% in the session at this point in time. But actually, if you look at the response coming out of Coinbase and their legal counsel, they did prepare that, their denial when it comes to trying to dismiss this case could be a possibility. And they are actually embracing the fact that they're going to have a discovery process when it comes to this particular lawsuit. And they're going to be able to proceed and try to battle this back and forth between the SEC. Now, one thing to also kind of note here, Nicole, when you're looking at the SEC and their legal battles against Coinbase or even other cryptocurrency players that are out there, it's been actually mixed when you're looking at the decisions. So it's going to take a very long time for this process to play out. It could take years, actually, depending on the overall process itself. But they have actually been able to win. When you're looking at Coinbase, they have been able to win against the SEC, especially when you're looking at the Coinbase wallet. That actually was a favorable ruling for them. We've seen the Kraken case, we've seen all the Ripple case and things of that nature. So it's not a slam dunk for the SEC. It's going to be a back and forth. It's really just some near-term headlines. But when you're looking at Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space as a whole and the bullishness, that is also going to be bullish for Coinbase. It has around a 96% correlation between the cryptocurrency of Bitcoin and Coinbase's stock value here. So a near-term headwind here, but this probably will fade as we continue to see more enthusiasm coming up for the halving and other events within the cryptocurrency space.
All right, and next up, we're watching Reddit, which is at 59 and change today. When we look at short interest, we've been talking about some meme stocks. What do you think about this one, and what's Hedgeye saying?
Yeah, so we are seeing a little bit of a pullback here today. At one point, it was down around 14%. Right now, it's down about 9.3%. We did actually have Hedgeye. They came out with a note that this could actually be a short play because of the near-term volatility that we would see for the IPO, and then also looking at some of the valuations here. But they did actually kind of note that maybe right now might not be the best time to short the stock, but after the volatility starts to abate, maybe it's going to be a potential short in the near term here, Nicole. But once again, I mean, we see a lot of volatility, not only just with this IPO, but we have the DJT situation happening as well. So it's going to take some time to really try to find the true valuation for this company here. And so, buckle up. I'm sure we're probably going to continue to see some more swings to the upside or downside for this name in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, sees 50% downside from the IPO price, which was $34. Obviously, we've seen it now much higher, but let's see what happens next. Kevin Green, thank you. Good to see you. Appreciate it.